In this video, we'll show you how to wash a wool sweater properly to keep it soft, clean, and free of damage. Wool is a delicate fabric that requires special care to maintain its texture and shape. With the right techniques, you can safely wash your wool sweater and extend its life. Let's get started. You'll need a gentle detergent specifically designed for wool or delicates, a clean sink or basin, cool or lukewarm water, and a clean towel for drying. Avoid regular detergent, bleach, or fabric softeners, as these can damage the wool fibers. Before washing, check the care label for specific instructions. Turn the sweater inside out to minimize friction and protect its surface. Inspect for any stains and gently spot clean with a small amount of detergent and water. Fill a clean sink or basin with cool or lukewarm water and add a small amount of wool-safe detergent. Submerge the sweater and gently press it into the water. Avoid scrubbing or twisting, as this can stretch the fibers. Let the sweater soak for 5 to 10 minutes, then gently swish it around to loosen dirt. Drain the soapy water and refill the basin with clean water. Rinse the sweater thoroughly by gently pressing it into the water to remove detergent. Repeat this process until the water runs clear. Be careful not to wring or twist the sweater during rinsing. After rinsing, lay the sweater flat on a clean towel. Roll the towel with the sweater inside to gently press out excess water. Avoid wringing or squeezing, as this can distort the shape of the sweater. Lay the sweater flat on a clean, dry towel or drying rack, reshaping it to its original size and form. Allow it to air dry completely in a cool, well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight or heat, which can shrink or damage the wool fibers. Avoid hanging the sweater, as this can cause stretching. If the sweater has wrinkles after drying, use a handheld steamer on a low setting to gently remove them. Avoid direct contact with the fabric to prevent damage. Never iron wool directly, as high heat can scorch the fibers. Once the sweater is completely dry, fold it neatly and store it in a cool, dry place. Avoid hanging wool sweaters, as this can stretch the fabric. For long-term storage, use a breathable container or bag with cedar balls to deter moths. Washing a wool sweater requires care, but with these steps, you can keep it looking and feeling great for years to come. Proper washing and storage will ensure your sweater stays soft, warm, and in excellent condition. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful laundry tips and fabric care guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.